vlogger, tour guide, 25 Philippines, live here in Thailand. So for today's video, we are going somewhere with my friends of friends. Okay, so I will meet them and we are going to the temples that are present here in Bangkok. The temples that we are going to are Wat Pho, Wat Arun, and also we will visit the Grand Palace. And I will teach you also how to go there. For us to say, we will just ride on a bus. It's only one ride going to the very famous Grand Palace. Yes, so I will meet up them at the Robinson Bangkok. So ayan, nandito na ako sa Robinson Bangkok. So I'm waiting for them. And I don't know if they have cell phone. I forgot to ask their numbers. And I think may signal naman siguro sila. Hopefully. So I will just get inside because it's very hot. Okay, while waiting, do something. It's still closed. Feeling pa ako, no? My visitors for today are from Davao City.
A few moments later.
Okay, so here are my friends. That's Sweet and Kat. Yes, si Kat. Wait, 25 pa ako sa So we are going now to the Grand Palace. So going there, from here in Robinson Bangkok, you just have to look for the nearest bus station. And then we will ride bus 1. Para tipid besh. 9 baht only, okay? Ayan, ayan, dali. Pep nung ka. Going to Grand Palace, we will pass by the Chinatown. Ayan, so we just got here at the Grand Palace. And guys, so maglalakad muna kami. Yeah, tingnan natin later. Grand Palace, Ilog is live. Pupunta na kami sa palasyo namin. Nag-aantay na ang Prince Charming. So going there, you will see these places, beautiful places. So we're now here inside the Grand Palace. It's just free. This place is open until 3 p.m. Ang daming turista ngayon. Bawal mag-sleeveless. Pero naka-sleeveless ko. Ha? No photo.
A few inches later.
Ayan guys, sa Diina. We're not allowed to take pictures and videos because we're wearing sleeveless. So we decided to go out and find a toilet, or we will buy some shawl to cover our shoulders and arms. Ayan, kasi ang ulo.
A few moments later.
Ayan, change outfit. That's why I give advice if you're coming here. Make it sure to bring some extra clothes. Good thing that I brought my t-shirts so I can get inside again. Ayan, second time around. Entrance again. Free lang po to guys, free. We will not go inside, okay? We have to pay 500 baht. Free. Pinoy, di ba? We're Pinoy. Free. So that's all for free. So if you want to see more beautiful places here in Grand Palace, prepare your 500 baht. We'll go out na. Thank you, Grand Palace. Okay guys, to go to Wat Pho from Grand Palace, outside the exit, just turn to the left and it's very near there. Ayan na, ang init talaga guys. So we decided to just walk, then to ride on a tuk-tuk kasi ang lapit lang ng Wat Pho. Wat Pho is just here. Guys, so we're inside now the Wat Pho. And I'm amazing. Free. Wala naman, pretuhan naman akong naong, ay, prati ka ilin. Yeah. So, we got here. And supposedly you have to pay 100 baht. But, it was the same like time. So, we got for free. Okay, so we're here in front of the reclining Buddha where you first remove all your like socks and slippers and put it in a plastic bag and you carry it along the way. Okay, so we'll get inside. My back is the reclining Buddha, guys. So that's it. Makikita po natin siya dito. It's so big, guys. Ayan, malapit na kami sa katotohanan. Labas na kami. Tapos, pasok ulit. Okay, so here beside the reclining Buddha, guys, the donation was just 20 baht. So they will give you some coins and you will put it one by one inside the pot. Yes, so my friend will do it. So they believe that after you did this, your dreams or your wish will come true. Wow! Ay, kulang yung wish.
Mauna pa tayo. Balik ito pa. Okay, balik.
Okay, so we're going inside now. And so if ever you feel thirsty, there's free water here. Just make it sure bring your own bottle para maka-refill ka for free. Let's go! So these are the 4 pagodas here in Wat Pho. Mahina ang boses ko kasi tahimik man sila lahat dito. So this is for the King Rama I after the Great Skyline. Ayan. For the King Rama I. And the other one for the King Rama IV. Yes. So that's it. These pagodas are made of tiles. Look. And the green one is a 42 meters high pagoda. And so when you come here, you will see some like notes. What is this pagoda all about? Yan. It's almost 1 o'clock. And we did not take lunch yet. We're still waiting. Rest muna. Kaya masyadong mainit, guys. We're here inside now at the Buddha Deva Batimakon. He is the principal of Buddha of Wat Pho. Maghanap kami ng food. Thai food.
No. No, Thai food.
Okay. So we got here at the restaurant. It's just in front of Wat Pho. Yeah.
It's exclusive for us.
Yes. So, how are you feeling?
Init siya.
Init siya. Ikaw, Day. Kamusta?
Char.
Hashtag fab.
Na-order.
Ayan, so we just finished lunch and we are going to the other side of the river. We will go to Wat Arun. Daming tao. Naglalampungan pa dito ka mga malalandi. Malalandi kayo, kwarto kayo.
Sila na.
Ang landi ay.
Sila nang happy.
Alam mo, lalandi. Uy! Yes, ang pamasahe po from Wat Pho to Wat Arun for baht. Mahal. Grabe, ang mahal guys. Maubos ang pera ko. Libre ko kayo lahat. Takay dito. Sa mga bigat na, libre. Tuklod ko ni Kuan sa prayer. Layo ng biyahe namin guys. Ang layo. It's just there. Libre lang, basta mukhang ganito. Libre yan. Basta. Ay, sorry. Sorry. Yeah. How to get free entrance? Just chin up and get inside and just don't talk. Ang saya talaga maging Asian. Libre guys. Supposedly you have to pay 50 baht. Usap tayo. So let's see, what are these made? Something like tiles. Kasi ito parang bato. Rocks. Ano? Yan. Okay, let's go. So this ends my temple vlog. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Ah.
Sawadika.
Kau.
Kapun ka. Sawadika.
Kapun ka. Bye guys.
Bye.